What are you up to, honey?
What?
What are you up to?
Just putting this lovely piece of material away.
You just twist it. Oh boy.
Sorry, Bert.
You all right, buddy?
Sorry.
Did you want to try that again? You just grab it and just twist it, both sides.
Okay.
Yep, just twist it towards each other. Yeah, see, there you go.
Okay.
Yeah, you put the little elastic band on there.
I don't have the coordination for this stuff.
You put the little elastic band on. No, it's got the
It's good.
how long have we been trying to use one of these?
I don't even know. It's been too many years.
Too many years?
Yeah.
Well, maybe we'll try something a little bit better.
Cool. A paddleboard?
No, this is from a company called Pigenius, and it better be ingenious, so hopefully it will work better than our flippy, flappy, twisty, tappy sun visor thing we've been using.
Oh, I like it so far. Hey, Bert. So I'm talking about right here. You gonna help Mama out? All right, got instructions in here. Spread your Pigenius Windshield Sunshade across the dashboard. Reflective shade facing out. All right. Sounds easy enough. Let's see. Reflective side out. Bum, bum, bum. Hey. Have to be a genius to do this one. Maybe.
Supposed to be custom fit for the vehicle?
Alright.
What do you think about it?
I think this makes my life much better. Don't look special trying to put a sunshade on. Sweet.
Easy?
Easy.
All right.
Great job.
Let's check out on the outside, see what it looks like. Oh, that looks pretty good. Nice. Looks like it is actually contoured to fit the window, so that's nice. No area mist. Got a little Pigenius logo there.
And a nice storage bag.
Nice storage bag, so
the kids don't get nasty.
we can fold it up and drop it in the vehicle, and then you can easily pop it up. And since we're approaching summertime, this is right on time. Get
Quite
the vehicle.
the genius idea.
Genius idea? Oh, okay. All right. I see what you did there.
Yeah.
So keep the vehicle nice and cool.
Yep.
Which is always a plus, because I know with kids and running and trying to keep up with everything, it's probably enough to drive anybody crazy. So, yeah.
Oh, that's nice. And you can... I mean, you know.
So you want to try that again? We can always re...
Okay, how about I shoot the video and you do the thing?
You try to fold it again, slide it back in the
But
thing.
he married someone who's very special. I mean, reflecting on outside. I guess I should pay attention to how it was folded. I mean, it seems easy enough. Yeah, it's like the House of Horrors.
See if
Why
we can
can I
come
not
offer some
do
assistance
mirror
on the side over here.
What is wrong with me?
So the silver side up. There you go.
Oh, silver. That's
silver side up.
Accordion. Got it.
Accordion.
Okay,
Now we good?
we're good.
All right.
I got it. You're gonna edit all that out, right?
I mean, you know, they
Please.
gotta have something to watch.
No. I mean, just the end of that would be good.
So, what's your thought about the Pigenius Sunshade?
It's ingenious. Great idea. I love the quality of it. It was easy to open. It was a nice canvas bag for storage. And I didn't get in Hulk mode to put it away. So I call it a win.
All right. Well, you heard it from the boss. As you all know, I'm Three Wheels. That's my lovely wife and our newest addition. Mm-hmm.
There he is. There's Mr. Bert.
Mm-hmm.
There he is. Oh, yeah. He's okay. I'm just a baby. He's 4 months old. So sweet.
Mm-hmm. Just what we
Just think,
need.
your presents covered all your for me.
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Birthday, anniversary, and Christmas. All right here. Yeah. Got off easy this year.
We're in May. We'll find out.
It's true. September's coming soon.
All right. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this video. My name's Erwin. This is Three Wheels on the Block. You've seen Mrs. Three Wheels and our newest addition, Bert. And you've seen the fanfold installation from Pigenius. What we're giving back, what time is taken away. We'll see you next time. Oh yeah, you guys remember this van? We did an oil change on this. That's right.